In today's video, we'll look at why the red globe is blinking on your Fujifilm camera and how to fix it. The blinking red globe light indicates that your location information is considered out of date. When the location data set to be tagged on photos is old, the red globe icon will blink and the camera will stop tagging the outdated location data to photos. Although this will eventually stop the flashing automatically, you can troubleshoot and resolve it immediately. To update your location information to your current location, enable location services on your phone or tablet. Press the wireless communication button on the camera or select the option from the camera menu. Then, open the Fujifilm camera remote app on your phone and tap Receive Location Information. The app will display a connecting progress message. Once the connection is successful, tap Sending Completed to exit the interface. Alternatively, you can disable the photo geo-tagging function on your camera to clear the blinking red globe. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.